Behold Idaho in all its splendor. One of America's most beautiful states with its pristine rivers, majestic mountain landscapes, vast protected wilderness, and unsurpassed outdoor recreation. Idaho's state capital is Boise, located in what is known as the Treasure Valley, which is perfectly named as it's also home to one of the world's foremost diamond manufacturers of prepackaged pump stations, Precision Pumping Systems. They say necessity is the mother of invention, and now I know it's true. That's how Precision Pumping Systems got its start in the small town of Peekaboo, Idaho, circa 1972. Back in the day when the family farm and ranch dominated the landscape and irrigation was a must for survival and prosperity. The location of the Purdy Ranch is breathtaking with an abundance of outdoor recreation. Legendary Silver Creek, recognized as a top fly fishing destination in the USA, runs through the property. With all its magnificent scenery, rich heritage, and abundant outdoor recreation, it's no wonder the Purdy Ranch has hosted so many celebrity guests throughout the years, including Ernest Hemingway, Gary Cooper, and more. Proudly, after all these years, the Purdy Ranch continues to operate their more than 5,000-acre ranch, where they harvest a wide variety of crops, including barley for several national breweries. It's true, in its humble beginnings, the Purdy Ranch provided the family with plenty of hard work, but also invaluable hands-on manufacturing and maintenance experience on the ranch's pumping and irrigation delivery systems. Experience which over time grew to become Precision Pumping Systems, a new family business to provide prepackaged pump systems and supply solutions to the southwest region of Idaho. Now, decades later, Precision Pumping Systems leads the industry in the design and manufacture of prepackaged pump stations, as well as builds custom automation systems and advanced control panels for irrigation, agriculture, municipal, industrial, manufacturing, oil and gas, and mining throughout North America. Precision Pumping Systems is more than just a manufacturer. We are a results-driven team of professionals who partner with our customers throughout every project, from engineers to architects, to irrigation specifiers, distributors, contractors, and more. We provide clear communication and on-time results from original concept drawing through budgeting, quoting, plan development, final production, and the service behind the installation. At Precision Pumping Systems, we know the world is not always standard and pride ourselves in solving difficult challenges with creative expertise and effective solutions, whether it be new construction or existing system upgrades or retrofits. Our partner customers receive a level of planning support and flexibility that simplifies their project development process, with the confidence that the final product will meet their specific needs, as promised, on time, every time. There are a lot of choices when it comes to selecting prepackaged pump manufacturers, but only one is the correct choice. Choose Precision Pumping Systems for your next project. We're here to help you succeed every step of the way. Precision Pumping Systems, turning water into communities, one pump station at a time.